Hello everyone, and welcome to Module 2, Understanding Your Audience. Have you ever felt like you're shouting your message into a crowded room, hoping someone hears it? That's exactly what happens when you create generic content without a target audience in mind. In the vast landscape of the internet, the key to successful content marketing lies in recognizing and connecting with your audience. Just as you wouldn't shout into a crowded room, broadcasting generic content to the online world won't grab anyone's attention. So let's dive into the crucial aspect of identifying your target audience. Module 2, Understanding Your Audience. Imagine your target audience as your ideal customer or reader. Who are you trying to reach? What are their dreams, anxieties, and challenges? The more you know about them, the better you can tailor your content to their unique needs. 2. 1. What is a buyer persona? A buyer persona is a detailed, research-based profile of your ideal customer. It goes beyond demographics to encompass their behaviors, motivations, goals, challenges, and decision-making process. It's not a real person, but a representation of a segment of your target audience. In other terms, it is called customer persona, ideal customer profile, marketing persona, and audience persona. 2. Importance of buyer personas. Targeted marketing. Attract and engage the right customers with messaging tailored to their needs and preferences. Content creation. Develop content that resonates with your audience and addresses their specific challenges. Product development. Create products and services that solve real problems for your target market. Improve sales. Understand your customer's journey and tailor your sales approach for higher conversion rates. Team alignment. Ensure everyone across your organization has a clear understanding of your target audience. 2. 3. Creating buyer personas. Imagine you're trying to sell delicious cookies to different kinds of people. You wouldn't use the same sales pitch for a kid who loves chocolate and a health-conscious adult, right? That's where buyer personas come in. They're like detailed descriptions of your ideal customers, but more personal than just age and income. It's like creating characters. What do they want? Become a fitness guru? Impress their friends? What problems do they have? Busy schedules? No time to bake? What do they care about? Healthy ingredients? Fun flavors? Where do they hang out? Social media? Fitness forums? By creating different personas for different customer groups, you understand them better. It's like knowing their favorite cookie flavor. This makes your cookie sales pitch more relevant and effective, and you're more likely to win them over. Remember, the more detailed your personas, the better you can tailor your content and attract your ideal customers. 2. Conducting market research. Crafting buyer personas like a pro before you can bake the perfect cookies. You need to know who you're baking for. That's where market research comes in, the essential ingredient for creating detailed buyer personas that guide your marketing strategy. Market research is like gathering intel on your ideal customers. Who are they? Demographics like age and income are helpful, but dig deeper. What are their lifestyles, interests, and values? What do they want? What problems do they face that your product or service can solve? What are their aspirations and desires? Where do they hang out? Are they online sleuths or offline social butterflies? What websites, apps, and social media platforms do they frequent? Think of market research as your treasure map. Surveys. Unearth valuable insights through questionnaires targeted at specific segments of your audience. Interviews. Have in-depth conversations with potential customers to understand their motivations and challenges on a deeper level. Focus groups. Bring together a small group of individuals to discuss their thoughts and feelings about your product or service, sparking valuable group dynamics. Social media listening. Dive into online conversations to see what people are saying about your brand and industry, revealing hidden trends and preferences. Website analytics. Analyze your website traffic to understand user behavior and identify popular pages, helping you tailor your content accordingly. Once you have your treasure trove of data, it's time to build your buyer personas. Give them life. Don't just list demographics. Create a name, backstory, and even a photo to personalize your persona. Understand their journey. Map out their typical path from awareness to purchase, highlighting their pain points and decision-making process. Speak their language. Use the insights you gather to tailor your communication style, messaging, and visuals to resonate with each persona. Remember, buyer personas are living documents. Regularly update them as your market evolves and your understanding deepens. Don't limit yourself. Create multiple personas to represent different segments of your audience for a more nuanced approach. Use them across the board. Let your buyer personas inform your product development, marketing campaigns, and customer service strategies. By conducting market research and building detailed buyer personas, you'll have the recipe for success. A marketing strategy that attracts the right customers and delivers the perfect solution to their needs. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of buyer personas. In this module, we've learned the power of buyer personas to unlock audience insights and create impactful content, how to build your own personas through research, segmentation, and creativity, the different types of personas you can use to gain specific insights, powerful methods to gather data and refine your personas over time, essential tips and tricks to ensure your personas are effective and dynamic. By applying these learnings, you'll be well on your way to creating content that resonates, builds connections, and achieves your marketing goals. Remember, understanding your audience is an ongoing journey, but with buyer personas as your guide, you'll be equipped to navigate it with confidence. Now that you know your audience inside out, it's time to craft compelling content strategies that captivate them. In Module 3, Creating Compelling Content, we'll explore content pillars, building a strong foundation for your content strategy. Content formats, choosing the right format to reach your audience. Content creation, effective methods and tools for producing engaging content. Content distribution, reaching your audience across different channels. Module 3 is filled with valuable insights and practical strategies to take your content marketing to the next level. Don't miss it. Subscribe to the series and be sure to check out Module 3 next.